we chose to begin our search for a CRM, the number one factor was probably finding something that would be easy to use, as well as making sure that there was going to be a strong support system to get my team to really be able to accommodate and learn it and use it successfully. The reason why ultimately I chose PlayMaker was probably because they were so interested in working with our agency, and they were able to really tell me when they were explaining the program to us that I was going to be able to make it into what I needed it to be. That it was so much flexibility in the user settings that I could really modify basically the software to get it to really accomplish what my personal vision was for my sales team. Well, PlayMaker has provided a lot of competitive advantages because I feel like using the system, I'm so easily able to use the calendar program that I can push all of my unique selling points out directly to not only my sales team, but to my entire staff. I can set them up as contacts. It's really quite easy and quite remarkable that everyone that works for my agency is fully aware of what the sales team's current mission is or effort is. Then I'm able to go back and look to see how is that push for that unique selling point that I've utilized with my entire agency, how has that been successful, and really what is the return on investment of using that unique selling point for those time frames, so that I know which ones have been successful as well as which ones I need to go back and maybe do some homework on. I could not imagine if I had to work without PlayMaker today. It would require me to go back to so many old methods of aggregating data, specifically on referral sources, where they're coming from, trending issues, the expenses. I don't think that would ever happen. I would definitely advise anyone that's looking for a CRM is to really ask customers that are currently using the program, how has the customer support been? What is their turnaround time for getting back to you with an issue if it's something that you need to address? How do they do their training? Training is so critical with any software addition or new technologies that are coming across an agency, as well as even within my own staff, training is so critical that if they don't have that capability, that they can do it any way that is going to help you get it done more efficiently, whether it be WebExes, whether it be phone calls, whether it be you coming and meeting with people face to face. PlayMaker is able to accommodate me in all of those styles. Just want you to know one more thing. When I was here, I've submitted so many reports and suggestions to the PlayMaker team, and it makes me feel so appreciated when they take the time to give me the feedback on the time, because I spend a lot of time, trying to get PlayMaker to do exactly what I want to do. And the fact that I feel that they truly are my business partner, because they really do accommodate the requests and the needs that I want, and they're just willing to really go above and beyond, and they wow me.